Good afternoon. This is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, today it looks like we're going out in the paddle boat. Probably the last time for the year because it's starting to get cooler out. Days are getting shorter, but it'd be nice just to do one last paddle. So follow along and we'll see how it goes. Nope. Well, there's our home sweet home. Just about done our paddle boat ride. I'm not sure. I think probably it's about a 40 or 50 acre lake. It's not a very big lake, but it's just a nice little ride around the lake on the paddle boat. It's 20 degrees Celsius. And yeah, nice way to spend Thanksgiving.